Everyone, it's Melissa and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello and welcome. On this video, we will be designing with a few of the leftover beads from the Exotic Blooms kit, and this was one of the latest Soft Flex design kits. This kit was fantastic, really tropical vibes. Just want to go on vacation in Hawaii. So I have a few beads here and we'll just make this cute little earring. And then usually when you kind of get these beads, sometimes in the design kit, there are some challenge items. And this was kind of one of them just because it was a center drilled hole. And for me, I automatically think bead weaving, but I just couldn't think of a project. So Sarah, the wonderful and talented Sarah from Softflex, demoed this on Kit Reveal Day of how to use Softflex wire. And I'm using the quartz, and that's what came in the kit to make like a little connector. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So we have it strung on. We're just going to let that kind of fall to the center. And then this way we can see the detail of our flower. So we're going to string on one of our little sparkly brown rondel beads. We're going to slide on one of our sparkly beads because we have to have sparkle in our design. Then we're going to put on one of the little check glass. I love these little check glass. They come in like little mini strands. I think they're like 2 or 3 inches, but they're gem cut. So they're super sparkly and faceted. Then we're going to put on one of the little shells. Beautiful little earring. And I think these would be super cute too to make like little drops out of as like little pendants. So then we're going to slide on our 2x2. And ideally you can put 3 strands of the Soft Flex medium wire through a single 2x2. So that makes this project work. So we're just going to hold it off to the side. I like to bend it down. And we're going to take this top part here and loop back through our 2x2. And give it a pull. We want to make sure that our loops are fairly the same size for our earrings so we can have a matching pair. So we're only going back through the 2x2 with one of the soft flex wires. The other one will just be your little tail. Then we're going to take our pliers and just give it a little smash. And we're going to rotate, and this just gives it a more professional look. And we'll just trim off these little edges. The little edges, and you'll just grab your ear wire and slide it through. And we'll take our pliers and we'll just close. And we have beautiful earrings using soft flex wire and medium in the quartz, and then just a few beads and a center drill bead. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe for upcoming content. Have a great day.